Do you want to record a top-down video like this? Then I'm going to show you how exactly you can do with an easy setup. So I'm going to tell you about the equipment that is required. So let's get started. So this is the equipment that we are going to use for recording top-down videos. And this comes as one complete package, and I have given the link of that in the video description. You can certainly buy that from Amazon. Okay. So this is the flexible arm. This is the mobile holder. Now this is the rotating ball head, right? So that you can record your videos in the angle whatever we want. So we are going to use this. So this is something that is really helpful. And this is the one that is going to connect to the table, right? So you can easily mount this on any table and start recording the videos with top down. Okay, so let me show you how exactly to fix this. So first we need to connect this clamp to the table. So this is how it gets fixed. You just have to place it like this and rotate the bottom, and it gets tight, right? So this has been fixed right now. Now once you do that, you have this flexible arm. It just sits like this. Okay. So once you have fixed this, you can just tighten this nut so that there is no much shake on this arm. So now let's fix the rotating head. Okay, so you can use this to loosen or tighten this ball head. Okay, if you tighten it, it's going to be sturdy. If you loosen this, it can actually rotate, and to a particular angle you can lock it as well. So that's how this is going to work. Okay, so this is how it completely rotates. So let me just fix this. Now let's fix the mobile holder. Okay, so once this is done, we just have to bring this down. So now let's fix the phone. Okay, so the phone is fixed right now. Let me raise the arm, loosen this, and here it becomes top down, right? So you can move it, raise the arm, lower it, slide it, right? You can do in such a way that where you are going to record in by either sliding, or you can also lift up and down, or you can just keep it in one position and record the video. So that's how it is. Very easy to use this flexible arm, which is really good for using with cell phones. So once you have fixed the phone, just hit on record, and certainly you can slide left, right, or if you want to zoom in, you can zoom in, you can lift it up. So that's the beauty with this entire setup, and it can help you to create great videos. And if you want to change the angle, just rotate the lower part, and you can record like this also, right? So if you are creating shorts, certainly you can use this angle as well, right? So just rotate the ball, and you can adjust the way you want. If you want to record at an angle, you can do it. It can certainly record in any angle. So that's the beauty with this setup. Okay, thanks for watching. As I said, the link has been given in the description. You can certainly buy from there. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Till then, take good care. And if you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any videos from this channel.